Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to make sentences. So let's start. First line, tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Number 2, bus. I go to school by bus. Number 3, sky. The color of sky is blue. Number 4, family. There are 5 members in my family. Number 5, market. I go to market with my father. Number 6, copy. This is my copy. Number 7, birds. Birds fly in the sky. Number 8, mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. 9, rose. Rose is a beautiful flower. Number 10, brother. My brother's name is Ram. Number 11, doctor. Doctor treats sick people. Number 12, school. I go to school every day. Number 13, ball. I play with ball. Number 14, sun. The sun is a big ball of fire. Number 15, book. This is my maths book. Number 16, cow. Cow gives us milk. 17, house. My house is very beautiful. Number 18, tree. Tree gives us fresh air. Number 19, water. Water is a liquid substance. Number 20, pen. I write with a pen. Number 21, friend. Mira is my best friend. Number 22, computer. I study on the computer every day.